I wish I made a video about Valentine's Day, quoted by me after Valentine's Day, and then thinking about this video idea the day after. You know, it was a missed opportunity as I might have gotten at least a couple of views if I made a video about Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day. It's all good though. I can make it next year anyways. Probably still single next year, so it wouldn't really affect my idea much. Anyways, let's define missed opportunities. Also, I'll try to make sure of making this as generalized as possible so that everyone can actually relate here. I hope it will hit. Now, in your lifetime, you were surely given opportunities in what context that could be. Example being about your career or personal life, and you decided to do either of these following. I don't think this will work. Uh, you were late, lazy or just straight up answering no. You're satisfied with your decision at first until you realize all of the opportunities that you could have gotten are now long gone. Does it hurt? That might be based on scaling with how small or big it is. What might be your situation if you were in that position that you lost because of the decision you made prior? What could have happened after that? Will it make you happier than you are now? Missed opportunities. The good things you lost and now in a position of reality. Well, cannot really do much about it now but to reflect on it. You are in this timeline after all. Look on the bright side though. Every path is unique. You gain things tangible or intangible along the way in this pathway. Maybe you got something precious in this path that the missed opportunity one surely wouldn't. Maybe you gained experience that the missed opportunity wouldn't be achieved in the first place. Bad or good is still something that can improve and make you better in the future. There are two things to look at this situation. I call it before and after. Before accepting, declining, or just straight up ignoring it, think carefully. Will this benefit me? What might be the consequences of me doing this? Of course, critical thinking must still be there. Do not just accept it just because of a very thin reason. Look on all sides. You don't need an opportunity, but a good opportunity. Also, make sure to bring your moral compass. And there's the after. This might sound like coping because it kinda is, but it might be a destiny. Maybe you weren't meant to be there or be there yet. Maybe that might not be for you. Maybe it's not good for you to be there. Maybe you are in this situation to understand or improve. Life is playing, and you must also. Just because this something happened doesn't mean you should just surrender. At the end of the day, that lost chance might be fate. You wouldn't really know what will really happen with you if you actually went with that storyline. Only a time traveler can. You'd never know. Maybe if you chose that track, you'll be super depressed for that something reason. Or maybe actually super happy, but we don't think about that because it's too late. Ha ha. But appreciate what you have right now. They are the reason that makes you right now. It can be about the people around you, the career you have, the items you have, the things you and your influence with makes what this reality is right now. Also, did my generalizing hit on you? Let me know in the comments below. And for the people who experienced missed opportunity via not being able to obtain this super rare item because it was too late to relate on this video, and then is this worth watching? Alright, that's all. Like, actually, thanks for listening until in this end part. You're super cool. Alright, bye bye.